I'm back again. There are some confusions, so I thought I should actually record a message on that, and that clarifies everything. First of all, the confusion regarding share transfer thing. Um, if there is any confusion that you are comparing some previous document with current document, please share the previous document wherever. If we find any deviation, I don't think so there is any deviation because I have all the documents with me, so there is no deviation to it. So please share if there is any deviation, we would like to know, and then of course we'll like to rectify that also. So this was one part. Second, now as we are now going deeper into the team recruitment and allotment of the areas, please understand one thing very clearly. Of course, we say that we only need 180 mcps, we say we need only 1800 mcps, we sorry cps, we say we need only 18,000 acps. Please understand, as an acp you have an exclusivity of an area. Rest CP and MCP have the eligibility to recruit in 100 pin codes or 10 pin codes. No area is appointed to you because we don't know which area you will actually work in. So let's say you are in Bangalore, you might work in maybe some other location which is in Karnataka, right? So there is some confusion among CPs and MCPs that if I am appointed in my area, now no one will enter my area. First of all, you don't have any area. Area is only with one guy, which is an ACP. Please understand this. This is really important. As an ACP, he only has that exclusivity, and that exclusivity will remain with him only and only when he performs 2 UPAs every month through his team of partners. And partners can be recruited across India. So exclusivity stands for this ACP for two things only. One, for his users in his pin code. Two, for his vendors. There is nothing beyond this for this exclusivity. Automatic user tagging goes to the this thing our ACP, and user tagging for the UPV income only. Rest my circle or referral user will go to the particular user only. So as an ACP, you have the income of the UPV generation of your users in your area. Second, vendors who are paying us commission, you will have that exclusivity also. Rest, the entire India is open to anyone and everyone. So if you are an MCP, don't feel and sit back and relax that okay, I have a time and I I can have my team recruited after some time, because we have already started seeing the heat in the field. Now people are calling me directly, sir. At that moment I thought ki lockdown is there, so I didn't took it seriously. So today I am ready to even book 3 UPAs for that pin code, but I need that pin code, I have committed to someone. Please understand, once the ACP is placed at that place, nobody in the system can replace him unless he is not performing. And performance criteria are also now being made in Global Garner. We have already told you that as an ACP we need at least 2 UPAs from you. You can recruit as many partner as you want, but all those partner should perform at least 2 UPAs in a month. So I think what we are asking for is nothing. But please understand the right for the pin code. If you are targeting some area, have your ACP immediately recruited at that place. Else, tomorrow you will find someone else working in that area, and then that will be a problem to you, right? So please understand this. Secondly, we are now creating a sheet which will be active in our software very soon, but as of today we'll start doing it manually. Let's say somebody has a biased nature, and being a biased guy, let's say if I am an MCP, I have allotted someone a pin code which is my who is my relative. Let's say he's not a deserving candidate for that pin code, but just wait for some time. If that guy is not performing, anyways, we as system will ask that state head or MCP, ki bhai, what is the performance? Because unless and until he is not performing, he is not going to stay there. So if you have a pin code and you know that, okay, by mistake it has gone to someone else and it was your mistake, and if you know that, if you feel that it has been given to a with a biased nature or whatever, just wait for some time. If it is he is not a right guy, anyways that pin code will not remain with him. One thing. So please don't take it otherwise and run fast, because like Mr. Ambani said, a big idea is not a monopoly to anyone. Anybody who's fast in the field, after capturing, some of the people have joined us almost 6 months back, 4 months back, and they were waiting for something to happen. I don't know what. And today, when somebody has entered in their area, somebody has recruited that ACP in their area, now yeah, they have started talking, sir, that pin code has gone, that is my area. For MCP and CP, there is no area. You can do your work entire India, entire state, right? As an ACP only you have a exclusivity. Rest nobody in the system has the exclusivity. As a CP and as a MCP you have a right to recruit, but no area is allotted to you. You have a right to recruit anybody in entire state. Your state in a approval with your state head. Of course, there might be some you might be seeing some politics happening while the recruitment of that ACP and all. Just wait for some time. If you were not quick enough to capture that pin code, now you have to only wait, because in system, if a person is performing, nobody can remove him, and if a person is not performing, nobody is there who will actually protect him, right? So please wait for that. Secondly, the point came in, okay, let's say pin code has gone, the prime pin codes, because everybody would jump for the prime pin codes initially. So what will happen to the guy who is actually going for a smaller pin code or what? I would like to tell you something. Even if you don't get that pin code, right pin code, even 10 people are living in that pin code, then also the income is still on a higher side. Again, I will take you back to our this sheet, which I have already shared it to you. Key, do your goal setting. So let's say you got a very disasterful pin code as an ACP. Let's say there is their population is only 10,000. I don't think so. If there is a pin code, there would be a population of 10,000. But let's assume that there is a population of 10,000 only, and you can only penetrate to 20%. Let's say vendors cannot be made in that pin code. Let's say only 10 vendors in that entire pin code, and they are giving you only 5%, 5,000 commission. Let's do it, no? 5,000 commission. But on partner, nobody can control you. Nobody can control you. If you are an ACP, you can have unlimited partner across country, across any pin code you want. So let's say you are seeing a potential in some pin code, recruit as many partner as you want, because partner recruitment has no bar. You pause selling in any area has no bar. So please understand, still this performance is with you. You can recruit more than 10, you can sell more than 2. So still, even if you talk about 2 you pause in a month, still you see the income of a ACP. Is this a small income? Let's say you got the small pin code. Look, it is easy to cry. It is easy to cry. It is easy to play that victim card. Okay, there is a politics happening. That guy knows that guy. Therefore, I'm not earning. But if you have decided to work, nobody can stop you. Your partner is the key. Even if I make this income as zero, still you see the income. What is the difference? It was 6 lakhs 78,000, I guess, and now it is 6 lakhs only. Your other UPV income and vendor income has become zero, right? So this user also can be 0, because that will not make any sense, because anyways we have done a population to, we had brought down population to 0. So I think the key, and still let's say your partner is selling only one UPOS and you have only 10 UPOS, 10 partners, still 3 lakh rupees a month. Is it a small income? I don't think so. I don't think so. So please do not become a crybaby when you are not getting your whatever choice of pin code you have. But I think from there you should actually evolve yourself. Look, when actually look, this example I think is best suitable here. When everybody left me, the entire politics was around Global Garner. Everybody wanted it to be closed down. I decided, come what may, if I am alive, this company has to move on. No matter whoever is against me, I will keep on working. And if you as an individual person decide anything, no, वो एक सुल्तान का बहुत बढ़िया डायलॉग है, आपको तब तक कोई नहीं हरा सकता जब तक आप खुद से हार नहीं मान लो. So I think that has to be the key. That has to be the key. Please understand, the potential is in you only. Even if you don't get a pin code, then also it is good. Pin code has a responsibility also. If you are not getting a bigger pin code, let it be. Appoint as many as partner you want, because ultimately the entire game revolve around UPOS. Correct? So I think, do your goal setting, work on this sheet. If you are not getting your pin codes right, just wait for some time, because as a system owners, we will check. Without performance, I promise you there would be no person in that pin code and who would be sitting, and without doing anything he will not earn from us. That is for sure, because we are already building that system. Yes, now telling about the system, we are going to gauge that ACP in 3 zones. First of all, it will be a green zone. A person who is performing 2 UPOS daily, on a monthly basis as an ACP, he will be in green zone. His pin code cannot be touched. There would be an orange zone. I have already communicated this, but I don't know how many of you know it or not. But let it be. Now we are knowing it today. So first one was green zone, where you are selling 2 UPOS in a month. So it is done. So let's say you and your team has sold 10 UPOS in a month. So now you are secured in green zone for next 5 months, because we are looking at an average performance of 2 UPOS only. So if your team has sold 10 UPOS, that means now your pin code is secured for next 5 months. Even if you don't perform for next 4 months, there is no problem, right? Second is the orange zone. The guy who is performing sometime 1, sometime 2, sometime 3, average is not 2. We'll keep him in orange zone. And what is the drawback of our orange zone is that now if a state head or an MCP gets a good choice of an ACP for that pin code, he will call this ACP, will give him a task. Okay, whatever deficit you have, or this number has to be achieved, maybe in 10 days, 15 days, 1 month, whatever negotiation you have with your state head or an MCP. But then if you are not able to complete that target, now he is eligible to replace you. And the third one, who has not even started, not doing anything, will keep him in a red zone, and without asking him anything, MCP, CP and state head can replace him. So there are already 3 zones in making, because as Global Garner, we only need performance. We don't need any politics here. We are very clear in our head. We want performance at all cost, and people who are performing will actually get elevated in the system. So let's say today you have joined as an ACP, and you are thinking that you are a good CP material. Just perform. If your CP is not performing, anyways he doesn't have those pin codes, right? Because CP is as good as pin codes, MCP is as good as pin codes. They have an eligibility to recruit. If they recruit, then only the 10 pin codes are under ACP, or 100 pin codes are under MCP. So please make it this very clear that no one can pull you down until unless you decided to. No one can do that. So please understand, this game is to be faster in the field. tomorrow, let's say only Tamil Nadu sells 9 lakh UPOs. No, I'll not be eligible to sell another UPOs in any city or any country, any state. So you have to look to it. Today you capture the opportunity. People who will wait will cry like this. I'm telling you, they will cry like this. I have seen almost 7 to 8 such examples coming to me. You see, 7 to 8 example have come to me, so there would be many other. So I think it is the right time. We have already got the blend. We have already got the MCPs in place. CPs are getting in place. As an ACP, please focus on your area. Start your engines immediately. Do not wait for anyone else to capture your area. As a CP, place your ACP there because you are as good as your ACP is. Recruit right candidate because from HO we will keep on tracking the performance of an ACP. So I need not to repeat what we are creating. We are creating these 3 zones. I think I have already talked about it. So please keep this information handy with you that we are tracking the performance. So we don't want any politics here. No favorism will happen in Global Garner. There would only be one thing, which is performance, which is going to be gauged. Okay. So thank you very much.